Dharmendra Pradhan, bro, it's done. It's done. Please.
बीजेपी तुम शर्म करो, शर्म नहीं तो चुप मरो। बीजेपी तुम शर्म करो, धर्मेंद्र तू शर्म करो, नरेंद्र मोदी शर्म करो, अमित शाह शर्म करो, दिल्ली पुलिस।
इतना सारा मोदी जो है काम करके रखा है, इतना सारा डेवलपमेंट करके रखा है, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर। जिसको नहीं दिखेगा वो आतंकवादी है, जिसको दिखेगा वही अंधभक्त है।
करेगा सत्ता के हथियारों से।
We are not ashamed of the government. We are not ashamed of the Modi government. We will raise our voice, and I am requesting to the honorable court also.
रोटी कपड़ा और मकान, रोटी कपड़ा और मकान।
Absent from the politics of today, from the established politics of today.
सबकी काम, रोटी कपड़ा और मकान।
वो अपना काम प्रॉपर करते हैं, आज हम हमारा काम प्रॉपर करते, काम छोड़ के इधर क्यों आए हैं? बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट डूइंग देयर जॉब प्रॉपरली।
तुम शर्म करो, शर्म नहीं तो चुप मरो।
So we are asking for the revolution. Revolution is necessary in every ages, in every time. That's why Inqilab Zindabad.
नरेंद्र मोदी शर्म करो, अमित शाह शर्म करो, दिल्ली पुलिस शर्म करो, शर्म नहीं तो चुप।
अगला स्टेशन एस्प्लेनेड।
The protesters here have pulled the most Gen Z move. That is ordering their posters on Blinkit. Guys, I just saw you guys got your posters from Blinkit. If this is in the most Gen Z way of protest, what is? Please show me your posters.
ये सब पोस्टर अभी हम लोग प्रिंट आउट रात से निकाल के रखे थे।
मोदी जी, जनता रो रही है, आप खिंचवा रहे हैं।
हमारे पूकी मोदी जी हैं ये।
I'm too busy being a diva. I can't hear you. इसमें क्या है?
सो दिस इज द वैकेंसी ऑफ एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर। जितना जल्दी हम लोग को डिजाइन मिलेगा तब फिर वैकेंसी ये वाला रीओपन होगा।
कहाँ से आ रहे हो आप लोग?
हम लोग बैंडल से आ रहे हैं।
बैंडल से यहाँ तक आए हो प्रोटेस्ट करने?
जी।
ये प्रोटेस्ट इतनी इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों है?
क्योंकि एजुकेशन सिस्टम के लिए अब जैसे हम लोग का तो फिर भी कॉलेज चल रहा है, बट आगे हम लोग का भी जनरेशन आने वाला है, उनके लिए भी कुछ प्रॉफिटेबल रहना चाहिए ना, तो हम लोग को कुछ तो सपोर्ट देना पड़ेगा, इसीलिए हम लोग आए हैं।
मैम, हम जब से आ रहे थे लोगों से बात कर रहे हैं, सभी लोग यही बता रहे हैं धर्मेंद्र प्रधान मस्ट रिजाइन। धर्मेंद्र प्रधान के ऊपर आप लोग का इतना क्रोध क्यों है, ये बताइए।
क्योंकि वो जस्ट he is not like listening also anything, like he is not even working in anything, like कुछ भी कर रहे हैं वो जस्ट कुछ सुन ही नहीं रहे बात। तो वो होता है ना थोड़ा कि हाँ इतना मतलब वो कर रहे हैं प्रोटेस्ट, हम लोग सब इतने आवाज उठा रहे हैं इस चीज के लिए, तो वो करना चाहिए उनको, तो बस इसलिए।
अच्छा, एक और क्वेश्चन आपको पूछना है। आपके हाथ में अभी भी ब्लिंकिट का पैकेट पकड़ा हुआ है, सब लोग बता रहे हैं ये सब प्रोटेस्ट का फंडिंग फॉरेन से आ रहा है। मैम, इसका फंडिंग की
ये हमारा फंडिंग है, इंडियन फंडिंग है भाई, ये हमारे पैसे का है और कुछ भी नहीं। हम जेनजी का प्रोटेस्ट यही से स्टार्ट हो रहा है भाई, सो इट्स ऑल अपॉन अस, और ये इंडिया का है, सो इंडिया के लिए हम लोग कुछ भी करना चाहते हैं, तो फिर बस स्टूडेंट्स के अकॉर्डिंग है।
You know, it's quite refreshing to see so many young people turn up for their protests, seeking accountability and voicing their demands. At this point, we are at Kolkata Sialda station, and today, all the left-leaning organizations of Calcutta have called for a protest here at this station, and the protest is going to go towards Dharamtala. All is not well, actually. Okay, so why do you think all is not well?
There's corruption in the system, and system needs to change. If the system changes, the people will change too. The people are ignorant. We are living in a hyper-capitalist society where even the workers are not getting their rights. The oligarchs are getting everything. Adani, Ambani own everything. There's privatization in the socialist state. We need to fix this, and all is not well.
You guys are रेजिंग द स्लोगन्स ऑफ इनकलाब जिंदाबाद। 2 दिन पहले एक वीडियो बहुत वायरल हो गया था कि अभिजीत दीपके को एक एंकर ने रिपोर्टर ने क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया, यहाँ पे इनकलाब के स्लोगन्स क्यों उठ रहे हैं?
इनकलाब का मतलब होता है रेवोल्यूशन, इट्स एन उर्दू वर्ड एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी से यू कि उर्दू लैंग्वेज हैज बीन ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम इंडिया. It is not an outsider's language and inkılap means revolution. So we are asking for the revolution. Revolution is necessary in every ages, in every times. That's why inkılap zindabad.
Question is, this is a students' protest. The youth is on the road. I mean, it looks like you've seen your days. Why are you here at the protest today?
Because I have son, I have grandson, they are all the students. So it is also my duty to participate in this meeting.
So, do you think the education system needs a reform?
Obviously, it is a totally bogus. Totally bogus. They have spoiled this system.
सर, आप पानी बांटो सब में?
जी बिल्कुल, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत से लोग प्यासे भी आए हैं, बहुत से लोग के पास पानी नहीं है, उनको देना जरूरी है हम लोगों को, हम लोगों का फर्ज बनता है मैम। ये हम लोग बेटर एजुकेशन के लिए कर रहे हैं।
बार बार बोला जा रहा है कि ऐसे प्रोटेस्ट में बाहर फॉरेन फंडिंग हो रहा है, आपसे यही पूछना है सर, ये कहाँ से पैसे?
जी ये तो मैंने अभी पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश, इराक, ईरान, हर तरफ से हमें ये 100 रुपए मिले हैं जिससे मैं पानी बांट सकता हूँ। अब क्या करें, बाकी कंट्री गरीब है इसलिए वो 100 रुपए फंड कर पाए ना।
दिल्ली में इतना दिन से प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है, गवर्नमेंट ने कल एकदम 12:30 बजे को एक मैसेज दिया, बहुत लोग बता रहे हैं दैट इज टू लिटिल एंड टू लेट। आप ये कैसे देखते हैं?
मैम वहाँ पे आप अगर नरेंद्र मोदी जो आज सुबह वीडियो अपलोड किया है, अगर वो शुरू में कर देते, वो 19 स्टूडेंट की जान तो नहीं जाती ना। आज जो जंतर मंतर में ये हालात देख रहे हैं वो तो नहीं होता अगर नरेंद्र मोदी जी पहले हमारे एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर को बोल देते कि आप ये पहले रिजिग्नेशन दे दीजिए, तो आज इतना बड़ा प्रोटेस्ट नहीं होता। आज हम लोगों को यहाँ सड़क पे आने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, लेकिन ये जरूरी है क्योंकि हमारे दादा के वक्त भी ब्लैक बोर्ड यूज होता था, हमारे पापा के वक्त भी ब्लैक बोर्ड यूज होता था। मैं भी बीकॉम सेमेस्टर 3 का स्टूडेंट हूँ, 3rd ईयर चल रहा है मेरा, मेरे टाइम पे भी ब्लैक बोर्ड यूज हो रहा है। आखिर कब हम लोग गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में कब हम लोग का आगे कुछ होगा? हम लोगों को भी डिजिटल बोर्ड चाहिए, हम लोग को भी चाइना, यूरोप जैसे कंट्रियों से कंपेयर करना है।
और धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को क्या करेंगे?
अब उनको मैं क्या ही बोलूं, पूरा देश उन्हें क्या बोल रहा है आपको खुद पता है। उनको ना तो शर्म आती है, ना तो कोई किसी की आवाज सुनते हैं। उनको सिर्फ एक रिजाइन करना है, ये नहीं कि उनको हमेशा के लिए मार दिया जाएगा, रिजाइन करना है, उनका अकाउंटेबिलिटी बनता ही है। यही मेरा कहना है।
So the rally which had gathered in and around Sialda station, although they do not have police permission, we can see that the rally is slowly moving towards the road that leads to Dharamtala, which is their ending point. Now we have to wait and see that if the police stop the rally, but for now it seems as though the permission has been given and the rally is progressing further.
डेमोक्रेसी पता ही नहीं इस गवर्नमेंट को, पूरा हिटलर के कदमों पे चल रहा है, डिक्टेटरशिप पता ही नहीं इसको। If we don't protest like this, there's no other way we can get it. I have my own brother giving me this year. I have my cousin. She was almost in a breakdown. She was almost dying. I could see still now she hasn't recovered from it. I don't know if we don't stand up against this dictatorship, who will then? I'm a law student and I have to do it. We will raise our voice and I'm requesting to the Honorable Court also, Honorable Judiciary also to raise their voice against this, not just students.
Ma'am, you know, a section of the population as well as the media is saying that this particular government, which is BJP government, it is conducted a re-exam and they have taken a re-exam, so that is accountability.
Will the 20 students come back? If they can bring that 20 students come back, I'm okay with this re-examination. Will my sister's mental health get better? No. Will my brother's 4 years will come better? No. Right? If they can bring those 20 students back, I'm okay with it.
जब मोदी डरता है, पुलिस को आगे करता है.
Yeah.
Is this in protest to what happened in Delhi?
Yeah, definitely. Students were beaten very badly, and that's sad. That's just sad. It's a peaceful protest, and they are getting beaten badly. Even a 12-year-old kid was beaten. Calling us anti-nationals is definitely like, इसका मतलब क्या है? क्या बोल रहे हो? इतना
एंटी नेशनल स्टूडेंट्स हैं हम लोग, एंटी नेशनल से क्या बात है ये? You know, the rally which initially did not have permission, it is now progressing, and most of the majority chunk of it has come out of the Sialda station area, and it is moving towards the road that leads to Dharamtala, which is a central confluence point and a very busy point of Kolkata at that. So the rally is slowly progressing, and after walking in the rally for a while, it is quite obvious and evident, and the most overwhelming demand right here is Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. The students are saying that they will stop at nothing less than Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation because they feel or they deem that is the most suitable way to fix accountability in this government for so many paper leaks that have happened, and especially for about 20 students' lives that have been lost. For AI to take his job, do you think he's not doing his job properly?
ऑफ कोर्स, इसीलिए तो हम लोग आज रोड में हैं। Isn't it? अगर वो अपना काम प्रॉपर करते तो आज हम हमारा काम प्रॉपर करते। काम छोड़ के इधर क्यों आए हैं? बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट डूइंग देयर जॉब प्रॉपरली। सो इट्स वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट, deeply saddened, but we don't have any option. So we are very responsible citizen of India. So this is the reason we are doing the peaceful march, and we'll continue these things until we'll get our answer.
20 students have lost their lives now.
This is the exact reason that we are on the road today. Okay, the audacity. How come government becomes so arrogant and so desperate? They are not taking any kind of responsibility, not a single dialogue, and they are trying to give us the lollipop. We are not gonna to listen any kind of things. We want the proper dialogue, we want the proper solution from the government, and our goal is we want the resignation of our education minister, and that's it.
Sir, হাতে গোলাপ ফুল নিয়ে এসেছেন।
গোলাপ ফুল ভালোবাসার বিনিময় করব যদি আমাদের এই শান্তিপূর্ণ আন্দোলন, আমি অরাজনৈতিকভাবে এদিকে একা, এবং দাবিগুলো মনে হয়েছে সঠিক, তাই পথে নেমেছি। তাই যিনি সংবিধান রচনা করেছেন তিনার ছবি, তিনাকে আমি খুব মন থেকে ভালোবাসি, তাই গোলাপ হাতে তিনার ছবি নিয়ে।
গোলাপটা কাকে দেবেন?
গোলাপটা যদি আমাদের উপরে কোনো লাঠিচার্জ হয় বা আমরা ভালোবাসা বিনিময় করবো, আমি ভালোবাসা বিনিময় করবো।
Dharmendra Pradhan, bro, it's done. It's done. Please resign.
When will you have
Salman Bhai has said it. Like, he needs to resign now. Like, honestly, people are beating up students. People are doing so many things, and he's still like just saying ki ha, we'll do something. That's not gonna work anymore. Just it's done, bro.
Because his resignation is what is going to
Yes. Because if we are not qualified in our jobs, we get like a letter, right? And we have to resign. So why can't he? At least we get through examinations and then get our job. यहाँ तो वो भी नहीं होता है.
मतलब आप बता रही हो, in order for a leader to become a neta,
There should be, of course, there should be something, some qualifying thing that we know कि okay, they are eligible, and still they are not resigning.
I would personally say that this has become bigger than whatever we started out with. Children have been beaten, they have been brutalized, and that should be taken into account as well. So it's about speaking out against the government, and the youth will do that. Our generation will do that. Gen Z is going to do that.
आपको डेमोक्रेसी नहीं दिख रही?
बिल्कुल नहीं दिख रही, अंधा हम हो गया हूँ।
डेमोक्रेसी क्यों नहीं दिख रही है? बोलो।
क्या कर सकते हैं, सरकार को नहीं दिख रही है, हमें दिखाना होगा।
आप अभी इसीलिए रास्ते पर उतरो सरकार को डेमोक्रेसी दिखाने के लिए।
और क्या कर सकते हैं, एक दिन एजुकेशन रिजाइन कर देगा, मिनिस्टर रह जाएगा।
यहाँ पर मोदी जी का पूरा डेवलपमेंट दिखा हुआ है, जो सिर्फ अन्य भक्तों को ही दिखेगा। इतना सारा मोदी जो है काम करके रखा है, इतना सारा डेवलपमेंट करके रखा है, आप देख सकते हैं। यहाँ पर जिसको नहीं दिखेगा वो आतंकवादी है, जिसको दिखेगा वही अंधभक्त है।
यहाँ भी लिखा गया है, काम इतना है, पीछे भी लिखा गया है।
अंदर कुछ नहीं लिखा है क्या?
वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा ना, अंदर की बात बाहर नहीं आना चाहिए मोदी जी का।
Ma'am, in Delhi we saw that there was a massive police crackdown on peaceful student protesters. At the same time, when we saw opposition leaders, they tried to protest, they were literally dragged out, arms and legs in hand by the police.
Yeah, they were. And that is the sign of a fascist government. They want to stifle the voice of the people. And that is why they are fucking scared. Because we are asking questions. What else are we doing? We are asking questions, which is a basic right of a citizen who has elected this fucking government, but they refuse to answer.
मैं दूर से आया हूँ और भी कोई आया मैं आया हूँ मुर्शिदाबाद से मुर्शिदाबाद से इधर आया हूँ घर पे नहीं कुछ नहीं बोला मैं बोला कि मेरा दोस्त का घर में कोई नहीं है ये बोल कर मैं आया हूँ लेकिन मेरा अब्बू नहीं जानता है मेरा अब्बू कुछ नहीं जानता आज अगर मैं इधर नहीं आता तो घर में बैठ कर घुटन होता कि क्यों नहीं गया घुटन होता मेरा भाई मेरा दोस्त का भाई वो दोस्त का भाई एग्जाम देना था लेकिन वो नहीं दे पाया क्यों देगा नहीं आता नहीं खाया कैसे खाऊं कैसे खाऊं
The most Gen Z thing that can happen in a Gen Z protest. We can see Spider-Man, Batman, Captain America, Iron Man. Sir, Iron Man आ चुका है protest में क्या बता रहे हैं?
रिवाइव लेना पड़ा रिजाइन के लिए हम लोग एक ही मांग है हम लोग का धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का इस्तीफा चाहिए हम लोगों को देखिए मेरा एक ही मुद्दा है कि रिजाइन दे दे ठीक है धर्मेंद्र प्रधान क्योंकि बोले इतना बड़ा प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है ऑल ओवर द इंडिया ठीक है इसको थोड़ा सीरियस लेना चाहिए मजाक नहीं है अगर आप ही नहीं सुनेंगे बच्चों की मांग जब आप पावर पे है तो आप किसको सुनाया जाएगा तो बस यही एक सिंपल सा मुद्दा है कि वो धर्मेंद्र प्रधान इस्तीफा दे दे तो सब चीज कंट्रोल में आ जाएगा और ज्यादा मुद्दा नहीं और जो मुद्दा भटकाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं उन लोगों की बात ना सुने ये बेटर है तो आप लोग अपने मुद्दे में सब लगे रहे मेरा यही मानना है और बाकी आप लोग समझदार आप लोग स्टूडेंट है
स्पाइडरमैन जी आप यहाँ पे चढ़ के बैठे हुए आपका क्या बताना
हमें यही बताना है दिल्ली में जो हो रहा है आप ये देख सकते हैं ऑल आइज ऑन दिल्ली मेरे भाइयों को मेरी बहनों को मारा गया है जो चीज बहुत गलत है वी आर स्टूडेंट्स वी आर नॉट टेररिस्ट दे आर ट्रीटिंग अस लाइक टेररिस्ट वी आर हियर फॉर देम टू रेज अ वॉइस फॉर देम वी हैव टू बी टुगेदर वी हैव टू शो देम हु वी आर Gen Zs we have to show them we will take the protest lightly we won't fight but our protest will be very peacefully like you can see no one is doing anything everyone is protesting and we will do it like that
পদত্যাগ রিজাইন আর কিছুই না এডুকেশন সিস্টেম ভালো হোক বাস এটাই চাই নাথিং এলস
অনেকে বলছে যে শুধু রেজিগনেশনে চেঞ্জ তো কিছু হবে না
এডুকেশন মিনিস্টার চেঞ্জ হোক দেখা যাক কি হয় তারপর না হলে আবার রিজাইন আবার চেঞ্জ বাস নাথিং এলস আমাদের প্রোটেস্ট চলবে বাস আমি কোনো পলিটিক্যাল পার্টি দিয়ে প্রোটেস্ট করছি না এটা নাইদার দিস নাইদার টিএমসিপি নাইদার এবিভিপি নাথিং আই এম ফর দ্য এডুকেশন বাস
Like I mentioned that the rally is progressing from Kolkata Sialda station towards Kolkata's Dharamtala area. And you know, on either sides of the street, you can see that there is heavy police presence. On this side of the street also, you can see that there is a police presence. At the same time, on the other side of the road also, you can see that there is police presence. The police is here to ensure that nothing untoward breaks out of this rally. The rally that is progressing from Sialda initially did not have police permission. After that, the police granted permission to move towards the road leading from Sialda to Dharamtala has been lined by police on either side. The police is simply ensuring that no law and order incidents take place. These are happy tears, these are tears of anger, these are tears of hope. Yes. Ma'am, does it in a way feel good to see the young generation? Absolute generation that has been called lazy, apolitical, taking to the streets, demanding a robust education system. Absolutely, and I love the fact that they are speaking in their language. They are taking to the streets in their fashion. They are defying every other Jisa Pita Andolan ka structure that we have seen all this while. It has gone. We have failed them, and they are creating new language of resistance. They are creating new language of power. I'm so happy. I'm so happy for them. These are happy tears. Yes, of course. Tears of happiness, tears of emotion, which is absent from the politics of today, from the established politics of today. Ma'am, many have said that the response from the government so far has simply shown that they are apathetic towards the cause of the students. Do you agree with this statement? I do, because the government has not responded at all. There was a deafening silence for all this while till the students actually hit the streets, got lathi charge, got fired by pellet guns, got threatened to
be, booked by NSA, and it's only after that the government decided to say that, oh, we will punish. And what we see now, the CBI has given a clean sheet to the main accused. What have we seen now? We have seen that the government is making promises that are far from the demands of the students. This proves again that the government is tone deaf. It is not in line, not connected to the demands of the students.
Taking to the streets of Kolkata, the students, the Gen Z, the cockroaches, they have one message. That is resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. And since we were part of the most jugaad rally that I've seen, literal rally posters coming in via Blinkit, we thought this would be the most jugaadist way to end our story as well. We're so sorry, the battery of our mic is over, so jugaad it is. So the rally has reached its concluding point, which is Kolkata's Dharamtala area, and it is a very important and busy confluence of the street. But at the moment, as you can see, students and protesters have all taken to this particular area. They have raised flags, they are raising slogans, and in the most Gen Z way possible, they are making their demands heard. A generation which has generationally been called apathetic, a generation which has been called lazy, a generation that has been called apolitical, that very generation today is taking their demands and are placing them very vehemently, very vociferously, and are very vocal about it. They are saying that dissent isn't anti-nationalism, and they say that a robust education system, an education system that cares for all, an education system that ensures that not a single student has to die because of paper leaks, is the kind of education system that they have taken to the streets for. So currently we can see that a little tiff has broken out between the police that is present here and the protesters over there. We can see that the police is waiting in absolute combat here, and on the other side we can see that the protesters are trying to engage in dialogue with the forces out here. We will simply have to wait and see what transpires out of this, but from what it seems in the beginning, from what it seems, that the police is standing in complete combat position, and on the other side we can see that the protesters here, they are trying to engage in dialogue, and for once we saw that the protesters are trying to move ahead, trying to breach this barricade that the police have created. We can see that the police have formed a human chain, and in the middle of the human chain is a barricade, are guardrails and barricades, and just a while back we saw situation get a little tense, little tense with protesters side off. Okay, so we can see protesters are running, and the police are stopping them. This side has been completely tied off. Protesters are running, and we can see that the police are trying to stop them and trying to keep the situation tense. Okay, so we can see that the protesters are throwing bottles. The protesters are throwing bottles at the police. The protest so far has completely been peaceful. Like I mentioned, the protest so far has completely been peaceful, but for now we can see bottles are being pelted from one side to another. On the other side of the road, there are barricades that are being pushed and kind of pushed and pulled from one side to the other. although the protest began on a very peaceful note from Sialda itself, by the time it reached its destination, which is Dharamtala in central Kolkata, a bit of chaos had broken out. There was a slight tiff between the protesters and the police that were present over here. Shoes were pelted, sticks were pelted, and empty bottles were pelted from side of the protester. At times amongst themselves, at times targeting the police. The police had formed a human chain and kept barricades and were in combat gear. They were ready in case things turned awry or things were untoward. However, after a long standoff, the protesters have now been taken to this area, which is called Rani Rashmoni Road in Kolkata, and this particular area is famously known for hosting protests. Now, the protesters have been kind of asked to go inside and contain themselves in this Rani Rashmoni area itself, and the police have also kept barricades so that the protest is on one side, and after almost an hour and a half, traffic has been released. Traffic has been released coming from Park Street. Traffic has been released coming from Sialda area. Traffic has been released coming from the further central Kolkata area. So there was a complete traffic snarl owing to this protest. However, the police have now released the traffic. For now, the situation remains in control. For now, the situation is peaceful. The protesters have been contained in a designated area. The police are still here. You can see the police on my right. The police are still here on cordon, and they are here in case untoward situation takes place. But for now, reporting from Kolkata along with video journalist Deepanita Dash, this is Titash for News the Truth Entertainment.